Hey everyone, Nick and Mercado here. Now today is Halloween and I know some of y'all might need like a last minute costume. So I'm going to introduce you guys to the Get Off My Lawn Man that I just created about 5 minutes ago. But don't fret, it's really easy to put together. All you're going to need is a bathrobe, a dad hat, and I guess a cigarette or a canteen. And well, luckily for you guys, I have all those things right here. By the way, I'm not promoting any drinking or smoking. It's just part of the costume. Now for the best part, dressing up. So we're going to take the bathrobe and we're going to put it on because that's how you put on bathrobes. Alright, doesn't really matter which kind of bathrobe you get as long as, you know, it covers your body. And in terms of what to put inside your bathrobe, you can be naked if you want, but just be really careful with that. Next we're going to put on the dad hat. You can find these at your local hipster stores. Yeah, oh, feeling it already. And then you're gonna grab your canteen or cigarette, really optional. And there you go. To really sell this costume, you've gotta dig deep and get your inner old white man to come out. Take this for instance. Hey, get off my lawn. Yeah, you. The one with the bicycle that has all those sparkly things on the side. Yeah, you little girl. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I know this was such a last minute video idea, but I wanted to do something in the spirit of Halloween. Speaking of which, I hope everyone has a safe one, and if you got kids with you that are trick-or-treating, just keep them safe, and don't forget to floss. Until the next video, I will see you all soon. Bye. Now, get off my lawn.